Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to Fun in the Kitchen with April. And today, I'm going to show you how to refurbish your leftovers. And I've already started, and guess what this is? This is turkey Rangoon. And this is the turkey that I brined right before Thanksgiving. And I gotta tell you, it was some juicy turkey. So I'm gonna show you how to repurpose your turkey. So, to make our turkey Rangoon, these are the things that we're gonna need. We're gonna need some Colby Jack cheese, some cream cheese, Pico de gallo, of course, egg roll wrappers, and pepperoncini, and of course, your turkey. Okay, so first we're gonna put down our cream cheese, and we're gonna take it just like this. And we're going to kind of rub it on there just to make our meat stay. We're going to spread it a little bit. And I'm probably going to take just a little bit more. And do it just like this. Now see, this is a perfect way to use your leftovers. You know, a lot of times we like to do, I'm going to put a little bit more. A lot of times we like to do turkey salad and stuff. Well, let's try something different. You know, create your own thing for your leftover turkey, your leftover dressing. Create your own thing. And that's just what we're doing here today. Creating our own thing. And I think you're going to like it. And like I said earlier, this is the turkey that I did in the video for how to brine a turkey. And it made this so nice and juicy. It really did. There we go. And we don't want to put too much because I don't want to overstuff my my egg roll. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a little bit of Pico de gallo in here, and I think you might like this because Pico de gallo adds a little bit of other little spices to it too. So we're just going to put a little bit of Pico de gallo, just like that. And then I have my pepperoncini that I'm putting in here. And I'm just going to put a little bit of pepperoncini. And my pepperoncini is going to add a little bit of heat. So that's how I'm going to do that. And then, last but not least, I am going to add a little bit of cheese. And of course, like I always say, cheese makes everything better. So we're going to add some of this cheese on in here. And I hope you all enjoyed your Thanksgiving holiday. I enjoyed mine. I relaxed. But I'm so glad to get back to you guys. Now, when we roll it, what we're going to do is take a little bit of water. And we're going to dampen the ends because we want it to be able to stick. Okay? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take a little bit of water and I'm going to dap my ends because that's how we're going to make this stick together. Just a little bit. And I'm just going to brush it just a little bit. Just like that. That way it'll stick. Okay? And what you want to do too, you kind of want to use 2 egg roll papers because when it's too thin, it doesn't fry well. It comes out. So you kind of want to use 2 egg roll wrappers and not just one. Okay? And that way you can get more into your egg roll without it breaking up. Okay? Now, I got that rolled. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to dampen the end right here and then dampen right there because I want to be able to close that part in. So that's what I'm going to do. And then we're going to dampen this end and dampen this right here. Just like that. And I'm telling you, you guys, if you have not looked at my how to brine a turkey video, you might want to try that if you're making a turkey for Christmas. Because that turkey was so juicy. And like I said, this is the turkey that I'm using. Some of this leftover turkey that I brined. This was the juiciest turkey. You know, because sometimes turkey can be dry. And when you brine it, ooh, when I tell you, it was really juicy and flavorful because all of those flavors got infused in that turkey, and it was a really, really good turkey. And my husband just fried it after we left it in there to the next day, because I did it Wednesday afternoon and we left it in there till Thursday afternoon. So like I said, you can do it 8 to 24 hours. And this is your egg roll. So what I'm going to do now, and I just want to make sure that my ends are tucked and sealed good so that nothing comes out during the frying process. I'm going to drop this in the deep fryer, and you will see what our egg roll looks like when it's done. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, and here is our beautiful turkey Rangoon egg roll. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to cut into it so that you guys can see. But you know what? With all of your leftovers, you can do this. You can put whatever you want in there and just have your own little Thanksgiving in an egg roll. And I'm going to cut into this just so you can see what this looks like. Look at the cheese you have in there. And as you can see the meat, the cheese, the cream cheese, and the pepperoncini in there. And the Pico de gallo. Quite delicious. I want you guys to make some for yourself and let me know how yours came out. And don't forget, always look down in the description section, and the recipe is always in all of my videos. The recipes are always in the description section down below. So take a look down there and you can see how to make it. And so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you know the next time I have a good recipe coming for you. And I will see you next time. Enjoy. Bye.